Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is a heated eye mask. So if this can actually help if you guys are having like a hard time sleeping, or if you guys are just stressed out from like working or whatever the case may be that is causing you guys to not have like a really good sleep, then this is actually pretty helpful. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product first. So once we pull it out, this is basically what it looks like, as you can see right here. So it does use a USB to USB-C cable to actually power it up. They do provide you guys a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use the product and everything. They do provide us a little bag that you can put in the actual eye mask on here, which is pretty nice. It feels super soft, kind of like silk material in a way. And right here we have the actual eye mask itself right here, which is pretty awesome. Very different and very unique than your usual eye masks that you see. And I believe there's something in here, so let's take a look and see what's in here. So it looks like there's a little battery right here. So there's the charge output right there that you'll plug onto the actual eye mask itself. Let's remove this part first. Then there's a little button on the side that you can press to activate it. So if I press down this button right here on the side, you should be able to see like a little light right there. And basically where you guys will plug this is right here on the actual eye mask right here, as you can see. So right there. Just like this. And then you guys are all set so you can start using it. And also on the bottom part right here that I forgot to show you guys, you guys can plug in the cable, which is a USB-C cable to charge it. But you guys can see that there's a little indicator right here that's blinking, so that's how you guys know the product itself is working. But now let's take a look at the actual eye mask itself. So they have the little logo right here. Feels super nice and feels super comfortable. It's like really soft. So the strap itself definitely feels a lot higher quality than your normal eye mask. And then they have a little Velcro right here that's high quality as well, if you can see. So this is what the Velcro part looks like. So very different than your normal Velcros. So you can adjust if you guys want it tighter or looser, however you guys want to. And then basically when you guys want to use it, you just have to put it onto your eye like this. So let me show you guys what I mean. So just cover out completely like this. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like when you guys have it on. I do have the heating option right here is already on, so I can definitely feel like the heat starting to heat up on my eye. And actually feels really good. So I can totally see how this could be really helpful, especially for people who can't fall asleep from like stress or whatever the case may be. And the way how they built the inner layer is actually pretty nice. So for girls who have like makeup and whatever, if you guys are too lazy or too tired from removing your makeup, you guys can actually just put it on, and you actually have enough gap for you guys to like just wear it and don't have to worry about any makeup getting onto the actual eye mask itself. And even if it does, you guys don't have to worry about it because these are washable. So if you guys want to throw this into your washer or hand wash it, you guys definitely can. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Definitely really cool product overall. But let me actually do a quick charging test to show you guys how to actually charge this product up right here first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. We're going to test it out to see how it charges and how we know when it charges. So I'm going to plug this part in right here. And as you can see that there's an indicator light right here to show you guys when it's charging, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and actually works quite well. I definitely love the fact of how it's small and portable and lightweight the product is. So if you guys want to bring this with you guys when you guys are traveling, you guys definitely can. And I feel like this actually would be a lot better than a lot of like other eye masks out there in the market. Because usually eye masks just help you guys fall asleep and like just covers your eyes completely from darkness and everything. But this one does so much more than that. It actually helps you guys cover your eyes to give you guys that darkness that you guys want. But this product also gives you guys that kind of like heat therapy that you guys probably want to help release any kind of like stress or like just help you guys fall asleep a lot easier. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I think this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for like a premium eye mask that is really comfortable but also help reduce any kind of like stress or whatever that you're going through that's causing you guys to like either lose sleep or you guys can't fall asleep. Then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have